ZTE is back with the new and improved ZTE Axon 40 Ultra evolved from its predecessor, the Axon 30 Ultra. Some of the noteworthy specs of the Axon 40 Ultra range from its sleeker than most design to a professional-level camera, upgraded processor, and immersive display. Looks like the market has heavy competition. ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is the most capable smartphone yet. Under-display 16-megapixel camera blends in seamlessly, taking the design to a whole new level. It has 6.8 inches AMOLED under display on the curved screen with 10-bit color depth and high resolution of 1116 into 2480 pixels. To make it better, it has 120Hz refresh rate, which creates a fully interactive experience. With a brightness of up to 1500 nits and a 360Hz touch sampling rate, the 400 ppi pixel density creates a smooth viewing environment, and its weight is round about 204 grams. ZTE comes in black color only with 2 memory options, 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage, 12GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. You can safely say goodbye to having to worry about whether your phone will make it through the day. The 5000 mAh battery with completely necessary 65-watt super-fast charging means every charge gives you peace of mind. All the performance with less power consumption is what you get from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8th Generation 1 5G processor. This provides boosted photographic abilities and a brilliant gaming experience. All the power you need in a processor at the tip of your fingers. Smartphones generate a lot of heat, especially during intense gaming. By combining a multi-layer heat dissipation system with active liquid cooling technologies, Axon 40 Ultra stays cool, calm, and collected. Linear motors have been upgraded so you can feel every touch of the game, experiencing stronger, near-console-level gaming vibrations. Take advantage of the Sony TRIPPLE cameras with 3 different focal lengths and make their best pick from a 64-megapixel wide angle, a 64-megapixel UHD Humanity primary camera, and a 64-megapixel telephoto primary camera. Front camera is of 16 megapixel for taking selfie. Shake no more. Dual OIS and EIS are combined to provide full system-wide image stabilization for skating, riding, or even running. A trio of microphones is also integrated to lock and enhance the sound quality during shoots. AI and machine learning algorithms work alongside triple camera system to enhance image capture, processing, and image quality. It helps you shoot faster, smoother, and clearer shots. The adaptive shutter system captures motions just like stills. Axon 40 Ultra arrived in a matte black cardboard box with a huge 40 across the lid. First comes the smartphone, and then we have 65-watt adapter and USB-C cable, basic transparent protective case. It also provided with USB-C to 3.5mm headphone dongle.